I'm embracing the fallout of the fantasy football season, which means I'm bowling with the boys in a pink tutu. I lost, and life is not just about how you win, but it's also about how you wear your losses.
All right, the stakes were high, and my fantasy football skills, well, were not. We're here at the alley, the tension is thick, Trace is en route with the tutu, and I'm antsy. It's one thing to agree to a potential punishment, and it's a totally different thing to wear a pink tutu into a bowling alley full of families.
Holy shit! Literally first round. Going in order of fantasy results.
What a dick.
The dude arrives, and here's Trace rolling in like Walter Schoback in my pink battle armor. This is not Nom, this is bowling. There are rules, and I'm about to break a few. Y'all, I'm all tutued up, and there's a real risk of this being too much for the bowling alley. Will they let me play, or will the tutu and I be benched? I'm bowling like it's my first day on the lanes, trying not to put on a show for the wrong reasons. Every roll's a gamble with more than just pins at stake, if you catch my drift.
There's like nothing under me. Why are these plastic seats so cold?
We're 3 games deep, and my score is exactly where my balls are, in the gutter. But I'm in it to win it, or at least not coming last. Can I turn this game around? Despite the tutu turmoil, the boys are rolling like they're the dude on a good day. Tyler, Alex, and Ira are knocking down strikes as if they've been staking the pins for nihilists. And me? I'm just abiding, man, tutu and all, riding these lanes like a rug that really ties the room together. Loss or not, we're having a blast. It's nights like these that remind us what it's all about. Friends, fun, and a pink tutu is a cherry on top. If you've ever had to wear your losses, keep abiding.
Didn't end super well for me, but live by what you wear.